kitchen, I'm the king of cooking things. Got macaroni, pizza, cookies, and some ice cream. And when it comes to cooking, I'm like Zeus or Hercules. The boss is really angry, he might just murder me. No, told wants to help, but he gets all on my nerves. He's always touching things. I'm like, get out of here, you turd. Go. I can make turtle soup or cook an angry bird. Chef Pee is the best. Everybody spread the word. Cooking angry birds. Chef Pee is the best. Everybody spread the word. I got Goombas in the oven, penguins in the pot. I can make a meal out of anything you got. I can turn a rock into a pie or a souffle. Voila. And I can turn some cat litter into a nice cheesecake. Hey, Pee is the best. Chef Pee is the best. Chef Pee is the best. I'm better than the rest.